Everybody, thanks for checking out our video today. Here at the Auto Connect, we have a 2015 Audi Q5 Premium Plus TDI diesel. It's a V6 diesel. It's in really good shape. One owner, a customer, traded it into us. Body's in really good shape. I mean, got some minor scratches there on the rear bumper cover. You have a scuff down here on the rocker panel going out there. But besides that, it's actually in very good shape, inside and out. Go ahead and check out the interior. It's a nice beige interior. So it's pretty loaded up. Pano roof, has the backup camera, Bluetooth, push button start, heated seats, only 89,000 miles. See a little bit of wear there on the seat. That's not a tear or nothing. It's just a little fade. He put in a aftermarket side assist camera view, so you could get side assist view. Has 89,968 miles. Really nice car. Something you might be interested in, give us a shout, 228-438-2056. You can call us or text us, or check out more of our inventory at www.theautoconnectllc.com. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you know somebody who might be interested in this, or if you need any work done, you have an Audi, a Volkswagen, Porsche, or other luxury vehicle, definitely give us a holler, see if we can help you out. Thanks for checking out this video.